Okay, good morning. Happy Sunday. So we are about to head over to Epcot and I think we might hop over to Hollywood Studios too, but we haven't done Food and Wine yet, and it's already October, so that's kind of our impetus. We're also going to ride a couple of rides, but I did want to do this like kind of fun unboxing. I have never done these. I honestly hadn't gotten into it until I was trying to get Labubus, like everybody else. I did finally score, I think, one or two, but they aren't even here yet. I did see that their Pop Mart also did this Mickey and I think it's called Mickey Family Collection. The possible keychains that you can get are right here. So it's Mickey, Minnie, Pluto, Donald, Daisy, Goofy, Chip and Dale. I'm backwards. Oh yeah, it was Chip and Dale. And then there's like this super secret one, and I think it's Huey, Dewey, and Louie. That would be really cool to get. But I was able to grab a couple of these Mickey family ones, and I wanted to show y'all what I got. I only got two of the I think 4 that I've ordered so far. So let's do this cute little unboxing because I want to dress them in their cute little Halloween outfits that I bought from another small shop, and I wanted to like clip it to a fanny pack or whatever. So sometimes I think these are silly, but I also think they're kind of fun. So let's unbox together. So let's see which one is this. I've never opened one, so I feel like I'm going to butcher this. However, it's supposed to be on, but not with a lot of tact, right? And also forgive my unpolished nails. It's rare you'll catch me in between colors, but okay. So here's the first one. Here's the little box, and that little notch. It's got a little notch, so right there. Which one do we get? I'm so excited. There's Minnie. Isn't she just adorable? She's so cute. So, looks like her little foot was backwards there. Oh, look how cute she is. Honestly, probably cuter than a Labubu. So, there's the little keychain that it's on. So cute. Okay, so it is a Pop Mart little girl. She's adorable. All right, let's open the next one. So the next one I got, let's see. Again, I don't have nails, so it's kind of silly, like I said. But let's see which one this is. Again, just ripped it right off. It's fine. It's fine. We don't need the box. Okay. I mean, this is very ASMR. I love that sound. Right. Okay. There's a little Nazi. Open it again. And it's Goofy. Look how cute he is. He's so adorable. So I did get a couple of cute little outfits. I say outfits. They're pumpkins. So wanted to, I'll probably just clip one of the two to my bag today. So I ordered from a small shop called La Conchita Bonita. Yes, I hope I didn't butcher that. So they like 3D print some really cute things. So I did order, because I wasn't sure which ones I was getting, like which characters. I ordered what I thought would work for any of them. And it's so cute. So this is like a little pumpkin, right? Like he's just orange, right? And then I forget, I think I ordered the green one. I did. Okay. So here's the cute little green one as well. So I'm gonna put these, or at least one of them, on. I think I'm gonna do the green one on Goofy because it matches his little hat. Look how cute that's gonna be. Or do you think the orange one with Goofy? Let's do green, I think. So I'm not gonna, let's see how quickly I can get this on, or if it's, we might cut, but it doesn't look like it's too hard. Oh, it's so cute. It's just like stick him through the bottom. Maybe I should have put him through the top. I'm not sure, but oh no, this was pretty easy. Look how cute. Like pull his little arm through, and I'm gonna clip him onto my, I think I'm gonna use a fanny pack today. Sorry, so 1 second. Oh, there, look. He's got a cute little, look how adorable that is. Oh my gosh, I love it. Look how cute. So I think I'm gonna put him on my fanny pack and take him to Epcot with us. So I know this was silly, but I love to share like a little bit of joy. So yeah, I think I'm getting 2 more, maybe more than that. But if you like this, maybe I will make another unboxing video if you guys want to see which other characters I get. I hope I don't get any repeats, but like I said, there's several characters. I think it was 8, maybe it was 10, something like that. So they were so cute. I got them on the Pop Mart shop. I think they were like $28 a piece or something. But that'll be fun to put on my fanny pack. So if you liked it, let me know. If not, I'm sorry. This isn't normally scheduled programming. So I think we'll see you at Epcot later. Okay, have a good day.